In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved card from your Shein account on Chrome. Managing your payment options is an essential part of online shopping, as it allows you to keep your financial information up to date and secure. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser and log into your Shein account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Shein website by typing the URL in the address bar and press enter. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login option, which is typically found in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password, then click Log In. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password link available that you can use to reset it. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll need to navigate to where your payment information is stored. Look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Wallets, and you'll usually find this in the account settings or the personal information section. Click on this option and it will take you to a page displaying all of your saved payment methods. On this page, you should see a list of any cards you've previously saved to your account. Take a moment to locate the specific card you wish to remove. Sometimes you'll see these listed by the last four digits of the card number, along with other details like the card type. With your chosen card in sight, the next step is to find the option to delete or remove it. Look next to the card information for a button that may say Remove or Delete. These options are typically straightforward to spot. They might be a little button or a link situated near the card details. Once you click on Remove or Delete, you'll generally be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a standard security measure to prevent accidental deletions. A small window or message might pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the card. Go ahead and confirm your choice. This action will permanently remove the card from your payment options, making room for new financial information if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a saved card from your Shein account using Chrome. This process is straightforward, but it's always a good idea to periodically review your saved payment methods to ensure they are current and that you're only keeping active cards in your account. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!